Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox our new Champion Inverter Generator. It's a Open Frame series. As y'all that's been around remember, this is our racing trailer, and we put a mini split unit on it. That's an inverter series, which means what people was telling me that it's very sensitive. The compressors, like variable stages and blah 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 blah, and we needed a clean smart generator, a clean power, whatever you call it. So here we go. We picked us up one. Let's get it out the box and check it out. And make sure y'all subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, whether that's product reviews, dirt track racing, farming, welding, fabricating, or just mud, whatever we're getting into for today. Y'all come along and check it out. Let's try to get her started here. Just a piece of cardboard. You know, instead of picking this thing up, it might be easier to, but if I tear this box up and something's wrong, how am I going to send it back? Let's try this right here. Come on. Come on, you can do it. That worked out a lot better than I thought. Make sure it's still in the frame. Yeah, that worked out a lot better than I thought. Front of it. We have a Champion now that we use. I think I got it in 08 when we had a camper and we was doing a lot of camping. Let's get the manual off of here. And we plan on trying to do this thing the right way, the breaking it in process and everything. Let me move you up here closer. There's your IntelliGauge. It'll show you several different things, I believe. Your hours on the machine, your voltage. There's your eco mode, low oil. It's got a 12-volt plug. Got a 120 30 amp. That's your camper plug, your travel trailer plug. I think it's called TT30 or something like that, but that's what that is. That's what we got over here on for our trailer for the race car. There's our mini split. If y'all will go back, you can see the videos of us installing this a couple weeks ago in our trailer. It's heat and air. Seems to be doing real good so far. But there's the other Champion that I was telling y'all about. It's just not the inverter type, but a very reliable unit. Now, several of these little papers is telling me to remove the shipping spacers. Okay, I see them. Let me go get an 8mm wrench like it tells me, and I'll be right back. Let me see. Yeah, you see that orange right there? That is a shipping spacer. There's two of them. All it does is got it solid right now so it ain't flexing on the rubber. As soon as we get these out, it should free up. Be flexing on the rubber. There's one. They're not rubber, they're plastic, they're actually metal. I might have to go get a little screwdriver. Let me go get a screwdriver. Okay, and on the back, around the back side is your little, oh dang, I thought it was just trying to open up. I got it upside down. Comes with your funnel for putting your oil in, 12-volt plug for USB, and there's your first oil for it. And if I'm not mistaken, what I'm seeing online is you need to put this oil in it, run it for 5 hours at like a quarter load, no more, and then change your oil, and you should be good to go. Your dipstick is marked low and high. I'm gonna try to pour it without the funnel to save from dirtying the little funnel, because that looks like a pretty neat, and it's got a full wrapper on it. I think I can pour it in there without dirtying that funnel. I'm probably gonna make a mess. I'll pour about half of it and check it. Then we'll see where we're at. Okay, still needs a little more. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see it, but that bottle filled it exactly to the high mark, so I'm gonna put the whole thing just like that. We got, put my funnel and stuff right there. I bought some 100% gas, non-ethanol. Let's get some poured in it. I've never seen one that you can't pour gas in like this. I don't want to take the filter out. Watch all that gas splatter up. You can't even make it pour decent. That right there is pretty not good so far on this part. I got y'all moved up here close. Now I'm gonna pour this thing as slow as I can. Any faster than that right there, it's gonna start splashing out. See that? How do you suppose to pour the gas in this sucker? See it splashing? I mean, you can't pour it that slow. A little pencil stream like that there, I can. What you supposed to take the filter out and not filter your gas? I hope y'all can see that on camera. Okay, what I come up with, this little thing here is your fuel fill level. Take that out, then it's gonna probably allow you to pour. Let's try it. Okay, when I took that red piece out, it left a hole in the bottom of the screen, and I wasn't gonna chance pouring trash in my new generator, so I cut that stem off, put it through there, heated the piece and sealed it. So let's try it now. I got a feeling we're gonna work now, y'all. Oh yeah. Listen to that. Still can't go too fast though. But it's 110% better than what we had a while ago. All right. Gas sideways is off, down is on. Let's cut it down to on. I think up is on. Let's stick you in the tripod. Let's see how we do on the first ropey dope. All right, let's pull the choke. Put the choke in, we're just about halfway in. I went and got a Wagner power stripper. About 14 or 1500 watts. Let's see what she does. We put a little bit of work on her. Oh yeah. We're about 12 or 15 foot away from the machine, and it's echoing out the back of my truck and the trailer and all. It still sounds pretty good. Well, this probably be it for this unboxing video. We're gonna run it here 4 or 5 hours so we can do the break-in oil change, and look forward to seeing y'all on the racing videos, and we'll do an update on this generator and the split unit in the race car trailer. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.